So you're gonna lift your feet up, bend at the knees, use your hands to grip the outer side of your feet. So essentially, you're just gonna look like a happy baby. You can rock from side to side, cradle from side to side, and try to use your hands and pull down on the feet so that your knees are touching the underarms. Just giving a nice back massage as well. Just keep using your hands. Pull down on your feet.
Deeply this also taking it.
Well. Now we're gonna do you're gonna do your hamstring stretch. So a few variations here. Either use your place your left hand under your left hamstring for support. Keep your right leg straight. Use your right hand to grip the underside of your right leg, just underside of your left leg, or just at your left calf. So very important here is to not straight away straighten your left leg, because that's going to you're going to probably hurt yourself. So do it really slow, because the hamstring is like a stubborn muscle where I don't want you to straight away pull and snap it. It's like a rubber band. So you gotta work with it, slowly pull it back, keep it bent space, keep your left leg bent space. And when you're more relaxed and you feel a little bit loose, start to straighten your left leg. Use your right hand to pull your left leg down and closer towards you. But if you like to, we can use a strap. Place it under your left foot and slowly use the strap. Use your hand, pull on the strap to bring your left leg closer towards you. So depending on your level of comfort, alright? But ideally, work on it slowly and hold for the posture for about 1 to 2 minutes. It's very beneficial to keep your hamstring flexible, because really it prevents sports-related injuries. Works on the iliotibial band. So if you like sports and you maintain your flexibility in the hamstring, it really helps in the sports, and it prevents you from hurting yourself. So keep your right leg straight, and once you feel a little bit loose, start to straighten your left leg and bring your left leg close to the ground. So I like to pulse into it. I like to slowly pull my left leg closer to me. Just gonna stay for a few more breaths and go through my own hamstring stretch. And slowly, as you let go of the posture, because it's a deep stretch and you've held it for a long period of time, slowly bring your left leg back down. Alright? This time around, we're going to work on your right leg. So the same thing here. You can use your left hand to support your right hand to support your right hand straight, and your left hand this time to the back of your right leg, just around the calf area. Keep it bent space, keep that right knee bent space, and bring that right knee close to your torso twist. And whenever you feel like you're loose enough, start to pull at the calves, at the right calf, and start to straighten your right leg out. All right? So I like to just keep it really slow. So try not to pull it straight away and you're gonna hurt yourself. So just really relax into the posture, and as you feel like yourself loosening, you start to straighten your right leg out. Okay? Or use the strap in whatever you need to. All right? I'm just gonna stay for a few more breaths, and let's hamstring stretch. And then slowly let go of your right leg and allow your right leg to extend it back. Alright, now we're gonna go to your reclining twist. So we're going to extend your arms out horizontally. Alright, you're gonna bring your right leg to cross over your left leg. And you're gonna bring your left hand to support your right hamstring. Your head is just gonna face and turn to your right. So try not to lift your right shoulder up too much, because sometimes you may hurt yourself. So just twist to the point where your right shoulder is still on the mat. And inhale, coming back to the center. This time around, you're gonna bring your left leg over your right leg. Keep your right leg straight. Use your right hand to support your left hamstring. So once again, try not to twist all the way and your left shoulder is lifted. Let your left shoulder rest comfortably onto the mat. And if you like to, you can close your eyes as you enjoy this twist and as you warm down. It's just very important to maintain the spinal mobility. There's a lot of tissues and nerves surrounding the spine, so really good to soften it and just maintain that mobility for your spine. And then you're coming back to the center, bringing your left leg back, extend your left leg. We're going to end the session with Shavasana. So you're going to lie down on the mat. So essentially, Shavasana is a corpse pose or dead body pose. So what I'll leave you to do is allow your body to melt onto the mat. Shoulders completely relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. Try to make sure that your arms are wider than the hip width distance, so that your shoulders are completely relaxed and they're not close to the ears. Try to shift all the awareness from the body to your breath. Allow your bones to feel heavy. Allow them to melt onto the mat. Allow for even circulation throughout the body, from the crown of your head to the tip of the toes. Try to equal your inhalation with your exhalation. Whatever worries that we like, leave it out. Just focus on your breath. Calm your mind. Calm your body.
In the times of the
And I'm still with the eyes closed. Gather some feeling back into the body by having minimal movements in the smaller parts of the body. Start to wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Now reach your arms out over your head, interlocking your fingers, rotate your wrists, arms facing the other way, bring your legs in together, and have a nice stretch like you've just woken up. Now you're going to turn to your right. Bring your knees a little closer into the chest. Pause for breath or two. And slowly split yourselves up.
There is something that go back.
Find yourself in a comfortable cross-legged seated posture. Keep your eyes closed. Relax the shoulders. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, draw your navel to your spine. Inhale through your nose. Feel your belly expanding. Exhale, draw your navel to the spine. One last inhalation and exhalation here. And exhale, draw your belly. Bring the palms to the center of the chest and Anjali will drill it. My name is Nas. Thank you for joining me for today's yoga session. Namaste.